Hey guys, what's going on? It's your girl Easy Breezy. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. Today we have a brand new hair sponsor. Thank you so much, WowAfrican. They sent me this Yaki straight lace front wig. So I recently uploaded a video that was the Yaki texture, which was a little bit more fuller, but this one is a little bit more relaxed, a little bit more silky, but it still has some texture to it. So in the beginning, before I start anything, I start with my 3-step system. First is the dry cleanser, and then I follow up with the skin protector. Then the skin will be prepared to lay down the glue. So I don't like for people's baby hairs and natural hair to get in the way of the glue or the stocking cap. So I spray a little spritz and I comb the hair back so it's nice and smooth. Now I can lay the glue down. All right, so now that the glue is almost clear, I guess I was kind of rushing or lazy or something when I did this. I don't know. But now that the glue is almost clear, I'm going to put the stocking cap on and kind of just press it so the glue comes through the cap a little bit. And this is the medium brown from GalaxyGirlHair.com. All right, so I'm looking at the cap now and it doesn't look perfectly like her skin complexion, but it's okay. You know, if I see the cap underneath the lace in this video, then I might have to eat my words a little bit. But right now it looks fine, but normally I probably would have put a little bit of foundation on it. That's like brown foundation, so it matches her skin tone even more, but I feel like this should be fine. Oh yeah, and I'm using liquid lace glue. Okay, as usual. And if you want your own bottle, head to GalaxyGirlHair.com right now, honey. All right. For this style, now on my channel, I do so many wigs that I really try to do things different, like try styles that I never done in a long time or haven't done, period. So every time I get a straight wig, I really try to be creative because I can't do a middle part every time. You know, I can't do just a side part every time. I can't do barrel curls every time. We got to get creative with these styles. So I'm actually thinking about doing something that I used to do when I was taking appointments, I used to do this hairstyle a lot because people used to request this hairstyle a lot. Like the first time I posted it, it was over with. Like I probably did this style at least maybe 25 to 30 times on my old clients. So I'm gonna do it again today. Now listen, I don't know about y'all, okay? I don't know about y'all, but this lace is looking scalpy, all right? Almost too scalpy. So let's try the other side. All right, so now I'm gonna connect the back so it gives it kind of like a crown effect. All right, so time to do these baby hairs. Now I had to give her some baby hair. Now she didn't want a lot, and I don't want a lot on her either because it's just gonna look extra and just too much. So we're just gonna do some by the temples, and we're not even doing sideburns for real. Just the baby hairs on the top, and that's it. Oh snap, baby. Okay, stop playing with me. All right, so now we're going to give the back a light flat iron. I'm not trying to get it bone straight because we're still trying to keep some of that natural texture in there, but I'm just trying to get some of those folds and crimps out of there. Alright, so let's take our flyaway tamer because I see some stray hairs and some cowlicks in the back, and I cannot get over this hairline. It just looks so real. Like, is this the best I've ever done? I'm confused. So I'm basically obsessed right now. Okay, I'm obsessed with my own work because what the heck. And it's going to be easy to maintain because there really isn't loose hair everywhere. It's not a lot of baby hair to maintain, and honey, I'm just proud of her. I'm just so proud of her, and I'm just so happy for her. So once again, thank you so much, WowAfrican, for sponsoring this video. If you guys want this exact texture, remember it's Yaki straight. All right, it's not pure Yaki and it's not pure straight hair. So if you want this exact unit, I'm going to put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later. Damn, this look good.